Hello, my name is Dan, and this is, well, the train scene off Back to the Future 3, speed up to 8 times its speed. There's a reason for this. I'll show you why in a minute. Now, I'm not saying this is actually canon, but of course it isn't. You can't do all that in that amount of time. There's a reason. I'll show you. He said, it says there, it says quarter of a mile and thing, it's 80 miles per hour. If it's accelerating upwards, it would actually only take them about 10 seconds, just a bit under 12 seconds for it to even go to the end, that's why. Quite clever, really. Anyway, I saw that really. So I'll say that my name is Dan, and I will see you in the future.